Let's welcome back! Some of you might have been asking, but Mr. Ranieri, how do I get another web page on my website? My website's so boring, it's just got one page on it. Well, I can show you. This web page is index.html. Let's make another HTML file, then we'll have another web page. Right click on this folder of your website. Mine is Raz's cool site, yours is called something else, and go new file. That was my index site. Maybe I'm going to have a site that is entirely dedicated to, I don't know, dirt. Fascinating, dirt. There's nothing on it, so I need my doc type. If you've got, the autocompletes here, it comes up with a list of things. Just press enter, and then it'll autocomplete it for you. I don't know why it has that there as well. I need my HTML tag, my closing HTML tag, need my head, need my closing head, need my body, need my closing body. There was actually something I forgot in the last video. This style tag, technically, should be in a head tag. Yeah. The head tag is for all the stuff that doesn't actually appear on the site, like your style and maybe your title. Debug pug. There you go, that's a nice title. Doesn't actually make any difference to what appears on the page. Where is it? But if I refresh, now at the top, the title comes up correctly, it'll show correctly on Google. If people bookmark it, then it will say debug pug. So it's nice to have that kind of stuff. This dirt page is looking nice. There's nothing on it. Pug with dirt. There you go, that can be the heading for this page. To view what this page looks like, again, I can just go in the folder and double click on it. If you can't find the folder, right click on the thing and go show in file manager and find it. Pug with dirt. And maybe this one is going to have an image of a dirty pug. There you go. One that's dug a hole. There you go. Surely this exists, maybe. No, there you go. There is an image of a pug. Don't ruin this beautiful backyard, pug. That's no treat for you. No treat. I've got these two sites. I've got these two web pages in my one website. I've got this one and this one, but there's no way to navigate between them. I can't get to the other site. It's not like someone's magically going to know to visit dirt.html unless they're psychic. So I need to make a link. In this page, I can make a link using the A tag, and I'm going to use a hyperlink reference, is what the href is. And the reference is going to go to my other page, which is called dirt.html. It'll look in the same folder. So if I just do dirt.html, tags, remember, have a start tag and an end tag. It happens that this one has extra information for the start tag. It's still got a start tag of A and an end tag of /A. It's just got this extra attribute called href. So this is where you want them to go. This is the name of the file or the website. And here is the label. Go to dirt. To preview it, I need to save, Control S, go into here, refresh, scroll down, hey, go to dirt. If I click on it, it takes them to this page. And likewise, in that page, I can make a link. A href equals the name of the other page, which was index.html, and a /a. I always close it straight away. So when you write the opening tag, the A, immediately write the close one. Otherwise, you'll forget with nonsense. Otherwise, you'll have nonsense like that. This is go home. And I've forgotten to close the H1 here. So when you type it, you always remember to close it straight away, then you remember to do that. Otherwise, you'll have problems where the entire page is a heading because I never close the H1 tag. And it doesn't give you an error. It won't tell you that it's wrong. It'll just look wrong. So always remember to close your tags. Now I've got a go home button. It takes me to index.html. Yay! And I can go between these pages. Whew. How exhausting. There is a problem though. This pug with dirt, this page looks really nice. But this one doesn't. It doesn't have any style information. I could go and copy all of this style information, but it's going to be really tricky to keep them in sync. Like I might change something in here, red, but then forget to change it here, and now my pages look different. Where was the other page? Go home, go to dirt. That's not, I forgot to change both of them. That's really ugly. So instead of doing that, we can make a new file just for our CSS. So all this stuff here, I'm going to get all of that and cut it. I'm going to right click here and go make a new file. I'm going to call it pug.css. And I'm going to paste it in this file. So now they can both refer to pug.css. It's pug.css. This one is going to refer to it, and this one is going to refer to it. Currently, neither of them refer to it, so I've got all this gorgeous style to make this awesome site, and neither of my pages know that this file exists. So I need to tell them that I need to get my style information from here. In index.html, instead of a style tag, I want to link my pug.css file. So link the type of this thing, you press enter, it'll autocomplete for you. Text/CSS, enter, that's exactly what I want. And the href is where it comes from, which is going to be pug.css. And there is also a thing called rel, which is what type of thing it is. It's a style sheet. CSS is cascading style sheets. So that's where that comes from. Link doesn't have a closing tag, so I can just end it like that. You might also see it like that, but you don't have to. You can just end it like that. That's fine. Now, index.html. Oh, href equals pug/css. It didn't work. If I go to the console, it actually shows that error. It couldn't find pug/css. So let's call that pug.css. Now if I refresh again, now find it. Of course, my other page needs this line as well. So I'm going to copy this thing into my other one, my dirt.html, and now they both have that. Go home, and they both have the same style. There is, if I change the style, let's say I do body background, maybe I've changed my mind, maybe I like the color that is orange instead of that, or I don't know, blue. If I refresh, oh wow, that is, I don't like that, black. Then it comes up. Yours, I can't see any of the text because the text is the same color as the background. Whoops. Yours might not do that. Yours might not update. And that's because I've got something special enabled. If you go network, what? That's weird. That wasn't meant to work. Anyway, if it doesn't work, go into network down here. Remember, to get this thing up, you can right click and expect element. That's how you can get the developer tools. Click on network and click on disable cache. Keep that open forever. That fixed some issues where you might change something here, and even though you save and even though you refresh, you can't see the change. Make sure that this is checked. It will stay checked. You don't have to do it every time, but that will help fix some of those problems. All of these colors were horrible, so I'm going to do RGB, maybe just white. There you go. How boring. So both these pages have a background of white. Wonderful. This is my site. I love it because I made it. I'm so proud of it. I'm going to put it on the internet. Tell all my friends. Tell your friends. Tell your neighbors. Tell your friends. Tell everyone at the parties that, what is the smart site called again? Debugpug. I don't even know this name of my site, but I'm so proud. Debugpug.netlify.com is all the rage. I will catch you later. Have fun. Web it up. Debugpug. HTML, CSS, JS, all that jazz. Until laters. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Peace. Until next time.